The Academy Awards may be over, but March still has a few Mondays left, which means our month-long theme of Oscar-nominated movies continues here on Create. Tonight, we bring you one of the first films to ever bring home the top prize at the Academy Awards, 1930's All Quiet on the Western Front. In just the third ever Oscars ceremony, it secured the award for Outstanding Production and Directing, while also garnering nominations for Best Writing and Best Cinematography. All Quiet on the Western Front depicts the story of German soldiers during World War I, fighting in the trenches and encountering the horrors of war. Due to its very frank and unsanitized depiction of the war, the film has often been called the most anti-war film ever made. Part of the realism is due to the fact that many of the extras working on the film were actually German immigrants who had been in World War I. They brought their accounts to the film and contributed a great deal of authenticity to the production. Over 90 years later, the film's themes and messaging were still impactful enough to warrant a remake released in 2022. That film is still copyrighted, and will be for quite a while, but luckily the original is not, and can now be presented to you. So please enjoy All Quiet on the Western Front.